Thank you so much for the purchase of your Show Your Jugs personalized lampshade. The way you can get your personalized lampshade, you just click order from showyourjugs.com and it will bring you to this landing page here. Click the Buy Now button, fill out the form, and wait a few minutes for it to come into your email. You can also check your spam folder. Then click on the email, and here are the directions on personalizing your lampshade. You also want to make sure that you get the Show Your Jugs Red Buffalo Jug Lamp Kit so that you have the complete kit available to you. Click on Download, and this will take you to Canva. It's a free app that you can sign up for if you already have an account. Click on Use Template, and it will say Replace for the picture. Rest your mouse on the Replace or Upload. Upload your photograph, and then rest it on the template where you want the photograph. Now it can be a little tricky, just be persistent, and then once you see the picture inside the circle, you're all set to go. You can expand and make it larger in the lower right corner, and when you're happy with the results, you simply click Download in the upper right corner. And I like to download it as a PDF print so I can bring it to my printers, or you can print it on your own home computer. You can either print it on regular paper or you can put it on vellum, which gives it a more translucent look. And then I'm just going to go to my file folders, click Open, and there it is. And I'm ready to click in the upper right corner Print, and there it is. For more ideas, go to VermontChalkyPaint.com.